Good morning children, this is grade 3 science class. Hope you all are doing your revisions. Now today we are going to revise the next two concepts from block 5 all about leaves. The previous class we have done revision S1 and S2 children. Now today we learn S3 and S4. So S3, what we are going to learn? Simple and compound leaf. And S4, functions of a leaf. Now let us read the lesson from reader and revise the answers. Open your readers children. Simple and compound leaves. Plants like mango and hibiscus have simple leaves. A simple leaf has a single leaf blade that is connected to the stem by a stalk. In a compound leaf, the leaf blade is divided into many leaf blades. Each small leaf is called a leaflet. All these leaflets connect to a stem with one stalk. Plants like rose and palm have compound leaves. Simple leaf has a single leaf blade which is connected to the stem by a stalk, whereas compound leaf blade is divided into many leaf blades and each small leaf is called leaflet. Even you should be able to draw simple and compound leaf children. They may ask you to draw simple and compound leaves. Functions of a leaf. Leaves are the kitchen of the plant. A leaf uses sunlight, air and water to prepare food for the plant. So leaves are the kitchen of the plants. A leaf uses, what does a leaf use to prepare food for the plant? Sunlight, air, water to prepare food for the plant. So these three you have to remember. They may ask you in bits or they may ask you to write the functions of a leaf and what does a leaf use to prepare food. So it uses sunlight, air and water to prepare food for the plant. Plants that grow in snow covered mountains have a needle shaped leaves. So the snow covered mountains will have the plants like needle shaped leaves. Even you have to learn the glossary also children. They may ask you in bits. Compound leaf, leaf that has small leaflets, leaf blade, the flat part of a leaf that is usually green, margin, edge or side of a leaf. And simple leaf, the leaf that has one leaf blade, stalk, attachment that connects the leaf to the branch or stem, veins are the lines that run across the leaf blade. Now we'll see the practice questions. Today we are going to learn 5, 6, 7, 8. So in these 4 answers you are going to write 2, 6th and 8th one children. Write the difference between a simple and compound leaf. So difference, how you are going to write? Simple leaf will have single leaf blade and compound leaf will have many small leaves. So in this way you are going to write difference. Even if they ask you to write example also you are going to give example. And 6th one, name 2 plants that have simple leaves and 2 plants that have compound leaves. So the 2 plants that have simple leaf. What are the 2 plants which have simple leaves? Rose and palm have compound leaf and mango and hibiscus have simple leaves. In this way you have to learn the examples children. And what is the function of leaves? What is the function of leaves? Leaves help in preparing food for the plant. So that is the function of leaf. And what does it uses to prepare food? If they ask you in this way, you are going to write a leaf uses sunlight, air and water to prepare food for the plant. And what is the function of it? Preparing food for the plant. Now, why do plants die when kept in a closed box? So why do plants die when kept in a closed box? The plant will not get food. What does the plant need here? The plant needs sunlight, air and water. So if it is kept in a closed box, will it get an air, water and sunlight? No. So it doesn't get food. So it will die. So the plants will die when it is kept in a closed box because it doesn't get air, water and sunlight. So you are going to write 6th and 8th one. Already you have written answers for this. Refer your classworks and write the answers children. Learn 5, 6, 7, 8, and you are going to write in your revision part 6th and 8th. Now we'll see the workbook, children. Open your workbook, page number 31, children. Today you are going to learn answers from S3, simple and compound leaves. Circle the compound leaves. In this way they may give simple and compound leaves. They may ask you to circle simple leaf or compound leaf. And you should be able to identify, children. How is a simple leaf different from a compound leaf? How is a simple leaf different? So you are going to write its difference. So in a simple leaf, the leaf is connected to the stem. We can see only a single leaf which is connected to the stem by a stalk. But in a compound leaf, the leaf blade is divided into many leaflets. So here you are going to write difference, even you are going to write the examples also. And see the third one, second one you are going to write in your revision part, children. Third one, how are these two leaves different from each other? In a compound leaf, the leaf blade is broken into many small leaves is called leaflet. When each leaflet of a compound leaf has several leaflets, it is known as double compound leaves. So in this way, how the single leaf here directly it is attached to a stem, whereas here it is divided into leaf blade. It is divided into many leaflets. Here again this leaf blade is again splitted. This leaf blade is again splitted into many small leaflets. So that is nothing but double compound leaf. Now from S3 you are going to write only one question in your revision part. Now we'll see S4, children. S4 function. Now open S4, children, functions of leaves. So in this way they may give you the experiment setup and they may ask you to write the prediction, observation and conclusion, children. So what did you notice here? The plant 1 without leaves and the plant 2 with leaves. So already we know the activity. We have done the activity in the class. So what did you predicted here? The plant stem does not look fresh. And what did you observe? The plant died because it did not get food. And what did you conclude by this activity? So the green leaves, which helps in making food for the plant in the presence of sunlight, air and water. So if there is absence of leaves, it cannot make food for the plant. So the plant has died. So you have to write this table, learn this experimental activity, children. Write in your revision part. Now see the next one. What will happen if we pluck the leaves of a baby plant? So what will happen if we pluck the leaves of a baby plant? It will not be able to make any food for itself and it will die. This answer also you are going to write in your revision part, children. From practice questions 2 and here S3 second one and S4 second and third one. So write this. And fourth one, other than making food for the plant, leaves of some plants have other functions too. What do these leaves provide to the plant? Spinach plant, the leaves provide nutrition and are eaten by humans. Cactus plant, leaves protect the plant from being eaten by animals. So in this way they may give you different plant leaves, how they are useful. So learn these answers, children, and write in your revision part. Complete your homework, children.